So over here, you can see that I have an image, and what I want to do is I want to crop it out. So in order to do that, you simply select the image right here, and you got these little blue dots, which denotes that it is selected. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this icon right here. Once I do that, the black border actually appears with the corners, as you can see. So I can simply click and drag this out, and then you can see that the crop comes in action. I can also move this around as well from the background to select the area of the image. So I can move the black dots right here to increase and decrease the size of the crop right here. And I can go around and change the image size and drag it around to adjust where the image is cropped out. Once I'm happy with the result, I can simply click outside and the image is cropped out. And I can move it wherever I like. If you want to uncrop the image, then you simply click on the same icon. And what happens is that you get back the image that has been cropped. That is because the image is not actually deleted out at all. So I can click and drag this out, you can see, and I can get back the areas that I want. And I can move around the background right here, click outside and drag it, and that is how it actually works out. So that is how you can crop an image inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.